Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, and you can also follow me on Facebook page, which is Win Wish Numbers. So on the Facebook page I usually focus on the lunchtime and the tea time, daily lotto, France code, such things. So here on the YouTube channel I'll be doing the USA Mega Millions. Most of the time I'll be focused on the signals, callings, and also cracking of the code. And soon I'll be adding the Powerball. So please, you don't want to miss out. Please follow me. It's Win Wish Numbers. You can also follow me on the Facebook page, which is Win Wish Numbers. So today we are going to focus on USA Mega Millions, which is from 1 to 70. For those who don't know, the Mega Millions is from 1 to 70. You only choose 5 numbers from 1 to 70, and you will also choose one number from 1 to 24, one number which is going to be your bonus ball. So in total you will be choosing 6 numbers. So in total you'll be choosing 6 numbers, 5 numbers from 1 to 70 and one number from 1 to 24, which is going to be your bonus ball. So here we're going to do the signals. Before I do the signals, the jackpot is estimated at around 7.8 billion rands. 7.8 billion rands, and in dollars it's $451 million. So guys, let's focus. Let me remove this and start with the signals. So we are going to do the signals. For those who don't know, I usually use the paper to do the signals. So when I do the signals, I'm just giving you what I see on the signals. So I can't show this page because it's a messy one and I'm unable to show it for now, but soon I'll be showing you what signals are. So I'm doing the signals. I'm just giving you what I see on these papers. So where can I start? Before I start, let me check. I nearly forgot. So for those who don't know, A represent the green signal. So I have 2 signals. The other one is the green signal, the other one is the red signal. So for A is the green signal and B is the red signals. So most of the time these signals, they might give us the numbers that are the same. Sometimes they don't give us the numbers that are the same. So in order to check which numbers are possible to come, we are going to compare with the code. So for this week the code is 296351 647. So sorry, I forgot to mention the date. Today is the 22nd of September 2025. So we're doing for tomorrow on the 23rd of September 2025. So according to the code, we have 296351 647. So according to the code, you just choose the numbers that you see on the code. You can say 16 or 61, you can say 17, 15, 29, 35, 59, 54, 45, 69, there's 36 or 63 there, there's 64 or 46, 47 there. So most of the time the numbers that you see on the code is basically cracking the code. So please write this code down. I'm going to remove it. Please write it down so that you can compare with these numbers that I'm going to do right now, which is the coding numbers. So let's start here. So looking at the code, there's no, check the code. Looking at the code, there's no 67 or 68, but according to the signal, at a green signal we have a signal at 67. So I always have to compare. Or let me start with this one, this signal first. Let me start with this one. So there's a signal at 70 for both sides. Yes, there's signal at 70 for both sides. I would say 70 70 for both sides. So at the green signal there's 70, and at the red signal there's also 70. That means there's a possibility that 70 will come, but according to the code there's no 70 there. And another signal that I see there is at 67 and 68. So at the green one there's a signal at 67, here there's a signal at 68. But looking at the code, please check the code that I just wrote it down there. Looking at the code, there's no 67 and there's no 68. So there are high chances that both 67 and 68 are not coming, even though on the callings are there, unless that 68 it decided to give us the close numbers to 68, which is 67 and 69. Why do I say so? If you check the code is 296 351 647. If you check this code, there's 69 there. There's 69 there. 69 is a closer number to 67 and 68. There's 69 there. Unless this 68 decide to give us the 69. Unless. But according to the code, there's no... According to the code, there is signal, but according to the signals, we don't have 69. So I'm suspecting this 69 might be coming. So, but for now, we can't prove it. Let's just leave it. Another number that I see on the signal there. Let me see. Another number that I see on the signal is on the green one, it's at 66. On the green one, it's at 66. And on the red one, it's at 65. It's at 65. So we have 66 and 65. So let's go back and check the callings. So on the callings we have 66, on the red one we have at 65. But looking at the code again, I'm going to add the code 296 351 647. Looking at the code, there's no 65, there's no 66. So there are also a low chances that 66 and 65 are coming. There's a low chances that they are coming. I'm not sure, but I think they might not be coming. Remember, this 66 that you see is a flipping number of 69, and we were talking about 69. So that 66 and 69 is actually a threat, guys. That 66 and 69 is actually a threat. And if this 66 it was to come, if that 66 it was to come, if that 66 it was to come, we were going to expect either 13 or 31. We were going to expect either 13 or 31 according to calling rules. We were going to expect either 13 or 31. If the 66 or 65 was going to come, we were going to expect either 13 or 31. So what do you think, guys? Can I add 13 or 31 just in case? Okay, let me add it. Even though it's not on the code, I'm just going to add it. 13 or 31. Let me say 13 or 31. It might surprise us. And another signal that I see there. Let me check. Another signal that I see there is let me check first. So another signal is at 59 61 62. It's at 59 61 and 62. So I'm going to decide to choose 59 and 61 because on the code there's 59 and 61. The code is 296 351 647. If you can check there, we have 61. If you can check there, we have 59 there. There's 59 there. So we don't have 62. Yes, we don't have 62. So I'm going to leave this one for now. So between let me see, between 59 and 61, we might be expecting a one number there. So I'm going to say 51, 61. So on the green one, I'm going to say 51, 61. Yes, that's what I think. 61. And let me, oh, sorry, 59, 61. Yes, it's 59 and 61, sorry. And another one that I see there, let me check. So another one that I see there is at 54. So on the green one, we have the signal at 54. On the red one, we have a signal at 55. But since on the code, we don't have 55, but we have 54. So I'm going to choose 54. So I'm going to say 54. 54 is the number that is going to come. I'm choosing 54 because it has a high chance that it's coming. Another one that I see there, there's a signal at the green one, it's at 51, but on the red one it's at 52. So I'm thinking one number between 51 and 52 is coming. So I'm going to say 51 because on the code we have 51, but we don't have 52. Another signal is at 49, but we don't have 49 on the code, but we do have 46. Remember the code 296 351 647. So there's 46 there, but we don't have 49. What do you think, guys? What do you think I must do? Maybe that 46 is going to flip into 49. So I'm going to say 49. According to the signals, I'm going to say 49. 49. How is my 4? I'm going to say 49. 49. So I'm going to say 49 both sides. Another signal that I see there, this one is very strong. Another signal is at 39. Looking at this, we have let me check. Yes, looking at the signal, we have a 39, 39, 40, and 41. 39, 40, and 41. Actually what appears is 39 and 41, which means there's a possibility that we have to choose one number between 39 and 41, which is 40. 40 is not strong on the signal. The strongest one is 39 and 41. That means we have to choose one number between 30 that comes between 39 and 41. But in this case, I'm thinking 40 might be the one that is going to come, but there's no 39, 40, and 41 on the code. So there's a low chances that any of these numbers is going to come. So I'm just going to, should I edit or, but I'm thinking I don't want to add anything that I'm not sure of. So I'm just going to add 39, and I'm also going to add 36 as the flipping number of 39, because there's another signal at even if you look at the code, there's 36. So there's a possibility that either 36 or 39 is going to come. So I'm going to choose 39 and 36, meaning one number there is definitely going to appear. So another signal that I see there is at a 35. Yeah, the 35 appears on both a signal and also on the code, so I'm going to say we have 35. We have 35. Another signal that I see there, let me check, it's at 29. Yes, another signal is at 29, not only 29, but it's at 29, 30, 31. It's at 29, 30, 31. That means we have to choose one number between 29, 30, 31. And according to the code, we only have a 29. We don't have 30 and a 31. That 31 is there. That 31 that I was talking about is here. So I'm going to say 29. I'm going to choose 29 according to the code. So I'm going to say 29, 29. Yes. And I'm running out of space. Another signal that I see there, which is the last two ones, it's at 10. Yes, another signal is at 10. Let me check. Yes, the another signal is at 10. So we have 10. Oh, it's not enough space. We have 10. We have 10. Yes, another signal is at 10 and 10. So for the last two signals that I see is a 23 and 7. It's a 23 and 7. Let me just add them here. It's 23 and 7. And 23 does appear on the code. The 7 is a replicate of 70. So it's a flipping number of 70. So there's a possibility that either 7 or 70 is going to come. But if we can compare these numbers to the code, let's select the numbers that I think they're definitely going to come. Let's select the numbers. Let me remove everything. The numbers that I think they're definitely going to come according to the code. On the code we have 61. On the code we have 61. We have 61. We also have 54. We also have 51. 36, 35, 29, 51, 51 and 59. Yes, 59 and 59. Yes, according to the code and signals, we have 61, 54, 51, 35, 36, 29, 59, and 40, 59. Sorry. So let's compare it with the code. The code is 296351647. So according to those signals that we talked about, there's 61 there, there is 51 there, there's 35, there is 29, there's 59, there's 36 or 39, there's 46 or 49. What else? Oh, we don't have 61 actually. Do we have a 61 on the code? Oh, we do have 61. Sorry, we do have 61. And I'm thinking, according to the code there, I see 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. So I'm suspecting one number between, or two numbers between 15, 16 and 17 is going to come. And we have 51, 61. That means there's a possibility that we have to flip that 51 and 61 into, we have to flip them into 15 and 16. So I'm thinking instead of 61 and 51, we might be expecting 16 and 15. And again, let me let me see, and again we might expect something like this. So instead of, he might say 6115 or 1651. He might decide to give us something like that tomorrow, 6115 or 15 or 1651, or he might say 15 16 51 61, but I'm suspecting these ones, the first two ones. And another number that I think we might expect is 19. It's a trending number. 19 is a trending number for this week. A trending number, that means there's a high 90% chance that it's coming. It's a trending number. That means there's a possibility that it will come. So according to the numbers, before I can do anything, according to these numbers, let me remove everything. According to these numbers, I was expecting, before I was doing the signals, I was expecting 35 or 53 to come, and 15 or 51, and they didn't disappoint me. If you can check on the code, we have these numbers. We have 15 or 51, 35 or 43. Don't forget 16 or 61, guys. These numbers, they're definitely going to come to on the next draw of the Mega Millions. Please watch them out. That's all I wanted to show you. Don't forget the ones that we compared with the code. It included 36, which can be 39. We also talked about 29. We also talked about 23 or 32, 54, 54, and what I'm also thinking, this 70 or 7. I'm thinking 70 or 7. We might expect 70 or 7. Let me check another ones. Did I write 54, 49 on the code? We have 46, 36, 39, 35, 29, 23, 10, 70 or 7. Yes, I think I'm satisfied with everything. Instead of, even that 69 is just giving me stress, but it's fine, guys. Let's focus on these ones. This is for the Mega Millions, guys. Don't be confused. It's USA Mega Millions, which is from 1 to 70. We only choose 6 numbers, 5 numbers from 1 to 7, and 1 number from 1 to 24, which is going to be your bonus ball. And the estimated jackpot is 7.8 billion rand, and in dollars is 451 millions. Even if you use the betting apps, there is money there, guys. Please bet responsibly, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on the Facebook page, which is Win Wish Numbers, guys. Please, and don't forget this. I'm going to be focused on those, and don't forget the 19 as the trending number.